In this video, I'll be showing you how you can cut clips from YouTube videos. It's very simple and easy. So I'll be using this video of mine for the example. So you're watching a video like this on YouTube and you want to clip a part, you just tap on this three dots here. If you're using a mobile phone, you can just slide through here at the bottom at the description side and you're going to see clip. And to see this, the creator needs to enable that on their YouTube studio. If that is enabled, you are definitely going to see that. So now let me pause that. I tap on the clip there. And now I choose the part I want to clip and then share the link to my friends and they only watch that part, something like that. So I just add a title to it just like you do always. Good. And now I think everything is done. So share clip and that's the link. So you can share the link to everybody. And when they click on the link, let me come to a new page here. Now let's search the link. Let's paste it. And it's going to take me to the video, but the clip side of the video alone. You can see there's the clip video. So to watch the full video, just tap on this to watch the full video. So that's it on how you cut clips from YouTube videos. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.